Welcome back to my referral agency series where I walk you through how to start a service-based business from your laptop and work from anywhere in the world. If you're new here, hi, I'm Krystal from cleaningcoach4u.com. And in today's video, we're diving into how to start a referral agency. If you're not sure what a referral agency is, make sure you check out this video over here. But if you want to start a cleaning referral agency, make sure you stay to the end to learn all the legal basic components that you're gonna need to have set up to get started legally. Alright guys, super excited. I broke this down into 7 easy to follow steps for you to get started. Step 1, getting your business name and logo. Alright, so brainstorming a business name, but also including referral agency inside of the name and your logo in minimum of 6-point font. Step 2, choosing your entity type. So if you want to be a sole proprietor, this is definitely the cheapest option. But if you're going into a partnership, then you're going to need a partnership agreement and have it signed and notarized, but most banks do this for free. If you want to start an LLC, you're going to need to have an LLC agreement and some paperwork filed first. I'll include some links below so you can find out more. But with an LLC, there is also a state tax due within a few months of filing for your LLC, and it's due every year. So if you wanted to start a different way and switch to an LLC later on, that's definitely a possibility. LLC gives you additional protection when you have a lot of assets. Step 3, getting your business license. After you've gotten all the paperwork or agreements created or filed, now take them with you to get your business license. Step 4, zoning and additional permits. If you want to get an office or rent one, you may need additional permits. Just talk with your planning department to go over your office address, and they will pull up any existing records that have been approved for that location. If none are there, you may have to get an inspection from a few different people and also have your parking lot approved for incoming traffic. So if you work from home, you may need a home occupation permit, but if you don't live within the city or county that you're getting your business license, then most don't require you to have one since you don't live there. So this is a little trick that can help you save $100 or more. Step 5, getting your EIN, which is an employment identification number. After you've gotten your business name, business license, now you're able to apply for your EIN with the IRS website. Super easy and can be done within 5 minutes, so I wouldn't pay for it. You can definitely do this yourself. Step 6, setting up legal bank accounts. Alright, so now that you have your EIN, you can open up your trust account, your expense account, but definitely have them at different banks for legal reasons. But don't worry, I'll dive into why a little bit more further down in this training series. Step 7, getting a surety bond and checking for additional requirements for your state. So in California, it is required for us to have a surety bond and to file it with the Secretary of State for California. So definitely check with your state for any additional requirements as a referral agency so that you know you're protected. If you need additional help with getting contractors, make sure you snag a copy of my contractor recruitment roadmap to get started. Alright, so in next week's video, we're diving into a question I see a lot, which is, do I need contractors or clients first? Alright, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for new videos in this training series. But if you want insider help, make sure to check out our private Facebook group. I'll include the link into the comments below. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!